So this weekend what we're going to be doing is reviewing the clips of the workstation that I ended up getting last year. It's an Alienware Aurora 8 gigs of RAM, 2TB hard drive, GTX 1050. It's nothing crazy, but next weekend we'll be going through all of the upgrades that I did over the last year. In this new workstation upgrade is the 34-inch LG ultrawide monitor, which we're also going to be unboxing.
Yeah. Is this your new monitor? Yeah. Can you Toby one? Yeah? Okay, go with this. Watch your nose. What am I doing? What's going on here? What's this? Are you concerned? Alright, this is the new monitor. 34-inch. Yep. Stand pieces. And the goods. There we go. Yeah, it's got HDMI and DisplayPort. It's 34-inch. Here's a screwdriver. When in doubt, butter the bread.
Peace!
Why are you running off? Did he leave on you?
Toby one. Go inside.
Back.
I'm gonna let it hang on this monitor. That's so good. Just like that. There we go.
Oh, it's all good now.
Alright.
See the whole kitchen.
This is the new computer. I just picked it up. It got shipped here directly from Dell. You can see there's another box inside. This is just the shipping box. Well, that's kind of neat. Shows like where it's glossy. That's pretty cool. Yeah, how do we get this out of here? I think I opened it from the wrong side. I'm gonna flip this around. Alright, I definitely opened it from the wrong side. This just comes right off. Obviously it's harder one-handed. There we go. Flip this back around. Oh, this also has that design on the side where it's glossy and makes the outline of the computer. It's kinda neat. A lot of detail here. Let's open this up. Little hole. Resource DVD, quick start guide, warranty info, power cable. Let's see, how does this come out? Oh, there we go. This is a lot smaller than I was expecting. Good thing those vents are going to be up against the wall. Not so much sarcasm, I just don't want to look at them. Anyway, we're going to flip this over, take this out. And now the struggle of trying to get this out again one-handed. This is coming a lot easier than before. Oh yeah. This one has the 7th gen 7700K. I opted for that one because I have liquid cooling option for this, so I'll be able to overclock when encoding videos and everything, or gaming, you know, generally what this computer was intended to be used for. Well, from the manufacturer's perspective. We are supposed to remove this. I wonder if that's a handle. Oh, It is a handle. That's really sturdy. I wasn't expecting that. More vents to remove plastic from. What do we got here? Front I/O, 2 USB 3, 2 USB 3 with charging, and then headphones, microphone. We already saw that side. Oh, 7 optical drive. Interesting. Oh, that's the power button. Pretty satisfying click. Yeah, so this is the side that we're going to be seeing from my desk. So that's my view now. Aurora R6, so it's the newest one. So we have a ridiculous amount of USB ports, so that's good. I'm going to be getting rid of my USB hub now. Optical audio, Ethernet, so I'm going to be using that. I actually don't know what this has for Wi-Fi, or even if I opted to have Wi-Fi. Either way, I'm using Ethernet, so that's not important. Then we have DisplayPort, and my new monitor has DisplayPort, so we are going to be hooking that up, or rather, these ones over here. I was looking at the video card. So we have 2 DisplayPorts and HDMI, another DisplayPort there. And then we have USB-C. I love seeing that on desktop computers. And then here we have the 4 USB 3.0. Then we have all of the audio connections, all that basic stuff. We have a lock, unlock. We have one here as well. Satisfying click both ways. That's about it. I know that this is the handle, and this has something to do with... I wonder if that screw has to come out. I'm gonna grab a screwdriver and check. To answer my initial question, yes, I did have to remove that screw to take the side panel off. So once that screw is removed, you just pull this, and then it pops that side cover out there. Which here I'll do it again with a little bit of angle because it's kind of a two-handed job. And then it just comes right out. Very satisfying clicks. All right. It's time to turn it on. Oh, there we go. Anyway, this is just the like the Windows setup, just like any other computer. So I'm gonna set this up, and then we'll be back. This thing's all done, set up. This is the first start. What's this? Ooh, what is this? Oh, neat. It shows my temperatures and everything. So the CPU is at 39 degrees, 38. Seems to be hovering there. Ambient sensor, 38. GPU, 36. CPU pump is running. GPU fan, 27%. Front fan, 20%. Top fan is idle. This thing is also stupid quiet. I can't hear it at all, but I also have some Bitcoin hardware running in the background. But yeah, it's kind of neat that everything's purple and pink and purple. All of that junk is purple. This is kind of cool. Okay, what was that other program that was in here? Alienware. Oh, this must be for the colors because it says ultraviolet. Everything's purple. That's neat. Oh, the eye candy is on point here. Alien effects. Active theme. My themes? What do we got here? Ooh. Green. Ooh. What else we got here? I wonder if there's like a chasing mode. What? I can change it when I get an email? What? Way to blow my mind, Alienware. Well played. I don't know what any of this is. Thermal controls. Oh, that's that. And oh, so it's all the same program. I'm guessing this must be the UEFI settings. Yep. Okay. What's this? Oh, so this is for setting system parameters and stuff like that for certain games. Game mode. Real-time performance monitoring. Well, this is fun. I'm gonna update things, download Steam, grab all my games, and then, yeah, we'll start playing some stuff in like hella widescreen. I'm pretty content with this thing. It was worth it. Thumbs up. Whoop.
So that was the unboxing of the LG 34-inch ultrawide and the Alienware Aurora. That's what all of my videos have been edited on in the last year, and next video we will be covering all of the upgrades that I've done to this thing. So we'll see you next weekend.